What's going on, everybody? Charlie, Dink Hunter here, and yes, you read that title right. How I got to 15 subscribers. The reason I wanted to do this video is for two reasons. One, it's a milestone for me, and two, when you look online, you don't get to see people who have that low subscribers. You see people like how to get to 1,000, how to get to 1 million subscribers. But what about the people who are just starting out, like me, and want to know how you get to 15 subscribers? So here you go. So I'd say the first thing to get to 15 subscribers has nothing really even to do with YouTube. It has to do with Facebook and Instagram. Instagram, first thing I did is I changed my account to a business account. This way I can promote more stuff. So in order to get to that, all you got to do is just hit these three lines at the top of your homepage, go down to settings, hit account, and right at the bottom it would say switch to business account or switch to whatever. Obviously it's not, I can't switch to a business account now because I already have that. But if you just hit that button, it gives you a lot of options other than a normal, let's say, I would say like this promotions. Here you can promote. So you hit this and it'll offer the option to promote that particular post and get it out there. So for the promotions on Instagram, I usually do like a couple of bucks on the weekends because that seems to be the most popular time people are on. I've been just throwing a couple bucks out there just to promote, especially the ones that are linked to a new video that I just posted. I'll try to make sure that people get out there. So for Instagram, that's pretty much what I've been doing. Facebook, I've been trying to post every other couple of days. Instagram, I've been trying hard to get a post every day just to make sure that there's tons of content for people to go through to see what people are into and what if people aren't into. Facebook, I've been taking some of the Instagram posts and putting it on there, and then some other posts on there. Every video I've been posting and trying to share on my own, not just the Dink Hunter channel, but my own personal Facebook. So I've been trying to make sure that everybody can see everything through the separate social medias. Those social medias I will link in the description. Also, I've been trying to get all of my friends to like the page at least. This way maybe they can share it to their friends and so on and so forth. As far as the YouTube specifically, the things that I've been doing to get to the 15 subscribers, which I know is not a lot, but for me starting at 0 is a decent amount. Working on my thumbnails a lot. I've been using Canva, which I'll link down in the description, which is a free website you can use to make thumbnails. Thumbnails, I feel like, are pretty important because that's the first thing people are going to see when you're looking at your video. Tags. I've been making sure that I use all the 500 characters for the tags, just in case people, obviously, they don't know you, they don't know your content. I'm trying to get so that everybody who searches for that information has the most available options to get to that information. My descriptions haven't been the best. I've been trying to have better descriptions, but it's hard to try to find the best information to put into those descriptions. Been reading a lot of other people's descriptions to kind of see where I can go from there. But with the YouTube, I'm making sure that on my Facebook and my Instagram, I am pushing those videos specifically so that there is more availability to watch those videos. I've been trying to put out a video every Friday on YouTube, and then sporadically maybe I'll do like one on a Wednesday here and there, but guaranteed I'm trying to put one out on Fridays and then maybe another one throughout the week. So that's what I've been doing to get to the 15. I'm pretty happy that I got here, and I'm going to probably do another one of these videos on how to get to 50 subscribers once I hit 50 subscribers, to see like what the difference was from what I changed from 0 to 15 and then 15 to 50. So we'll go from there. As far as the equipment that I used, I bought a GoPro 7 Silver, which I've been recording on, which I'm recording on right now. I bought a chest mount, I use an external battery bank, which I'm not super excited about. The GoPro 7 Silver doesn't have removable batteries, so you have to put in the battery bank in order to get extra battery life, which you have to take the door off, which doesn't make it waterproof when you're fishing. Not really the best idea, but you know, for starting. I bought a GoPro stand, which I'm using right now, and all that stuff will be linked in the description so you can see exactly all the stuff I'm using. I'm sure as I go further I'm gonna buy more stuff, but for right now I'm pretty happy with what I have. Other than that, I feel like that's pretty much all I've been doing. I'm trying to make content every day, and I'm trying to use all of the available options to me. Those tags on YouTube, trying to make good titles, all that stuff. You watch everybody's YouTube, how to make all the subscribers, they say thumbnails, titles, all that stuff. So I've been trying to do that, and I appreciate everybody watching this video, trying to get to whatever number of subscribers you're trying to get to. I mean, I'm just little hurdles, little at a time, but thanks for watching. So if you could subscribe, like, comment how you got to however many subscribers you got to, or how many you have, it will be much appreciated. Thanks.